Hi, I'm Bridget, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do 3 different accent walls you can complete in an afternoon. First up is a half circle color block wall. Measure and mark how wide and tall you want your shape to be. Cut a piece of string and tie one end to a push pin and the other to a pencil. Place the push pin in the radius of where you want your circle to be and draw a continuous line until you meet your 2 half circle marks. Use a level to get your sides straight and begin painting around the edge of your shape. I used a roller in the center to make things go a little quicker. Give it a couple coats, let it dry, and then style your space. For the next wall, I wanted to spruce up a boring hallway with a little color and texture. Measure your space so you know how big to cut your plywood. Joann sells wooden dowels in a variety of sizes. I chose 3/8 inch by 3 feet for this project. Begin painting your wood glue on your piece of plywood and lining up your dowels. Don't be afraid to lay it on thick. Once all your dowels are secure and glued to your board, find some heavy objects to place on the board overnight. From here, you can keep it natural, stain it, or paint it. I chose to spray paint mine to accent my new hallway rug. Nail it into place and style your space. The next wall is a fabric feature wall. This is a great option for renters as the fabric is completely removable without harming your walls. Clean and prep the area and tack your fabric at the top. Cut around trim and outlets with a utility knife. You're going to need lots of liquid starch, so pick up a gallon. Begin rolling it on your wall, again laying it on thick. Smooth out any air pockets with a plastic putty knife. After the fabric is on the wall, do a final coat on top. Style your space and find a friend to enjoy it with. Alright guys, there you have it. 3 different accent walls that will completely transform the look of any space. Whether you're just looking to spruce up a boring wall or want something really exciting for your next hangout meeting, each of these walls is a great choice and takes only one simple afternoon to complete. Join me next week when I go over some home office tips and tricks. See you then!